Inhlangano iMarch and March ithi-ke sekuyisikhathi sokuthi uhulumeni uphume umkhankaso wokuphindisela emazweni abo bonke abantu bokufika abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho. Lokhu kushiwo umholi wale nhlangano uJacinta Ngobese Zuma esithangamini sabezindaba sale nhlangano eMhlanga eThekwini namhlanje.
Le nhlangano ithi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi abaholi bakulelizwe bebeke phambili abantu bomsinsi wokuzimilela.
We cannot keep glorifying the laws that continue to oppress the citizens of the country and continue to make the state run out of funds and resources.
Ngobese Zuma uthi uhulumeni kumele uphume umkhankaso wokuphindisela bonke abantu bokufika abakulelizwe ngokungemthetho emakhaya.
We call for mass deportation of illegal immigrants. Those that are already in the country need to be reminded that being in the country illegally is a crime and they need to self-deport, and if they refuse to do so, then the government needs to make sure that they promote mass deportation.
Uphinde wathi inkantolo yomthethosisekelo kumele icacise okuthize okubhalwe kumthethosisekelo.
We want the Constitutional Court to clarify the meaning of everyone in the Constitution, because over and over again, as March and March, we have emphasized that there's no constitution in the world that is meant for everyone.
Le nhlangano ihlabe ikhwelo lokubambisana kubantu bakulelizwe ukuze kuliwe nezinselele lelizwe elibhekene nazo.
We also propose for South Africans to go out in numbers and open cases against those other South Africans that you know that are harboring illegal immigrants. We can only win this fight if we work together as South Africans.
Njengendlela yokugubha unyaka le nhlangano yasungulwa isizosingatha umbhikisho wezinsuku ezimbili ukusuka mhla zingama-24 kuya mhla zingama-25 kuNdasa.